Hello and welcome to a short video on the caster set for the robust American Beauty wood turning lathe. The caster set consists of a screw jack and 4 independent swivel casters. Let's take a closer look at an individual caster. It's a 5-inch caster that swivels 360 degrees and a heavy-duty powder-coated base. There's a spring-loaded plunger to help with attachment and a couple of pads to keep you from marking up the paint on the lathe. The jack has a sliding portion we call a bracket, and then the screw handle is down below and it fits onto the base as you see. The bracket has got an angled part, and that angled part goes right into this notch in the leg assembly, and there's one on each end. We'll show you that in just a second. Before you use the jack, be sure to put a little oil or light grease on it. Well, let's get started. It doesn't matter which end you raise up first. We're going to put that bracket into the slot like we showed, and we're going to start raising the lathe. And we'll need to raise it up about 2 inches. Let's zoom in on the caster. This tab is going to go into the hole in the leg, and the plunger is going to go into the hole into the foot. Now when we put these on at first, the caster is going to be loose and it'll tighten up when we get some weight on it. You want to make sure the plunger is all the way in. You can do that by looking at the pin on the plunger, and it should be all the way against the bracket. Okay, so with that one on, we can put on the other one and start lowering the lathe. When the lathe is lowered, you'll see that the casters tighten right up. Okay, let's switch to the other end now. Doing this end of the lathe is the duplicate of doing the first end. Just raise it up about 2 inches like before and attach the casters, making sure that you have your plungers all the way down. Once everything is set up and we have the jack pulled out of the way, then we can move the lathe wherever we'd like. You can see that the lathe moves quite freely in all directions. On a level surface, one person can easily handle this. If you're going up or down a ramp, you're going to want 2 people for extra guidance. When you're ready to take the casters off, simply reverse the process. This concludes our video for the robust American Beauty caster set. Just a couple of key points to remember. The caster set consists of 4 swivel casters and a screw jack. It's used for moving and storing the lathe only. The casters must be removed when you're turning. For more information, please visit our website or feel free to give us a call. Thanks for watching.